Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new VS Code extension which is called as share code, with the help of which you can share your code snippets on the website called as Pastebin. As you know, Pastebin is a website where you can share code instantly or with your friends or any sort of developer. And there is another website which is Gist GitHub. So basically, Gist is a part of GitHub, which is a code sharing website. So if you just type on Google Gist GitHub, then this will come here, gist.github.com. So here also you can instantly share your code snippets. And if you open VS Code, there is extension. Go to the extension tab, and here you need to simply search for extension which is share code. So here you will write share code, and the first extension which comes in, the only extension is share code. You need to simply install this plugin, and after you install it, just restart Visual Studio Code and then restart it. Once you restart, you go to the code snippet, which code snippet that you want to share, and you can even select like this also, and then you simply need to type on the keyboard Control Shift P on Windows. Just type this and this tab will open. So basically this share code open will be there, and also you can also search this also share code open. After this opening, you can even share it on Pastebin, GitHub Gist, and GitLab. Let me just first of all select Pastebin, and then it will allow you to please enter it to confirm your input or accept to cancel. So here you need to provide your Pastebin username. So basically, if you are registered on Pastebin, then you can provide your username. If you want to don't want to log in, here you just need to sign up for your username. I don't have an account on Pastebin. Then also I can share it. I simply need to again press this command, and simply I will select this option share code share, and now you have this option which is anonymous. So basically this allows you to instantly share your code snippet without having to log in. So I will select this option, and now it will asking you that the privacy of the code snippet. If it is selected to public, then anyone can see it. Unlisted and private are those one that uh, don't allow the public to see your code snippet. I will select public here, and then it is just asking the expiration date. So basically you can just select the time of expiration, or you can just select never, but I will select 10 minutes. So basically it will instantly upload this code snippet from your Visual Studio. So this is your unique link that you can share with your friends. You can see this is a unique link that it has provided. Now you can share this code snippet with your friends with this link. So this is very easy, guys. You can just share your code with your friends using this plugin. And now let me just show you how to share it using Gist GitHub. Now you will select this second option like this. You will see GitHub Gist Anonymous. Then you can also select the privacy. Let me select public, and then it is asking the description. Let me provide test and then enter, and then also it will upload this uh, in github.com. So let me just share it again, public, share test input. So if you enter it, it will upload your code snippet on github.com. So now if you go to this website here and select all Gist, so here you will see, so inside this website it will create your code snippet. So in this way, from Visual Studio Code text editor, you can share any sort of code snippet with the help of this plugin. I have given the link in the video description of this plugin, so you can just download this plugin, or you can just install it from the Visual Studio Code text editor. And thanks very much for watching this video.